Hello, I am Ravindra Pal Singh, 3 years diploma in mechanical production, BSc PCM and MBA in HR. I am working as an assistant professor in Delhi Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have 18 years more experience in teaching industries. Now, today we are discuss the topic arithmetic progression. What it is arithmetic progression? Basically, arithmetic progression is a kind of series and sequence in which the common difference always remains same between the two consecutive terms or numbers. Okay, so for example, we see that just like that we can write the arithmetic progression 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just like that, and so on. So you see that always next term will come adding plus 2, then you see that next term is coming after adding the plus 2, and then again plus 2. So you see that each and every term is coming after adding the 2. Similarly, you see that I can write another arithmetic progression 100, 98, 96, 94. You see that the next term is coming after subtracting minus 2. Again, next term is coming after subtracting minus 2, and so on. So you see that arithmetic progression is either be a ascending order or be a descending order. Okay. So both are the arithmetic progression. Okay. Now here you see that it is a common difference. There are all the arithmetic progression having the terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. We can write and so on. So in this way, we can write the arithmetic progression T1 equal to, just like that, assume T1 first term is A and common difference is D. Then the second term will be A plus B and third term will be A plus 2D. Fourth term will be A plus 3D. And so on. We can find out the nth term Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We can write it in the form of A plus 0D and A plus 1D. So you see that first term is A plus 0D, means A. Second term is A plus 1D, third term is A plus 2D, and then nth term will be A is common in all the terms. This means that nth term have also the common term A. And the 0, 1, 2, you see that 1 is coming, here 0 is coming, 2 is coming, then 1 is coming, now 3 is coming, then here is 2, 4 is coming, then here is 3. In nth term, n is here, then n minus 1 will be here. And D is always common in all the terms. So you find out the term that is known as general term of the arithmetic progression. It is known as the general term of the arithmetic progression. Now I want to find out the 15th term of this series. Okay, so T15 equal to A, this means that first term 2, and n equal to 15 minus 1, these 2, then T15 will be A plus, 2 plus 14 into 2, now 2 plus 14 into 2, 28, and now it will be a 30. It is shown that 15th term of this series will be 30. In this way you can find out any term. Thank you.